Okay guys, in the interest of keeping this video short, I'm going to show you what needs to come off, and then I'm going to put the camera down and just go ahead and do it myself, and then we'll go to the next step. So here's what we got to take off. This air intake needs to come off, as I said earlier, and let me show you the two. There are two Torx bit screws under there. If you can see that, they're T30. They're a T30 Torx bit, the star bit. So those two need to come off, and they actually do not. They will stay with the air intake. They're kind of held in by rubber grommets. So I'll show you that when that part is done. So let's move over here. I'm going to take both these clamps off, so this hose is going to come off just to make it easier, because I'm going to try not to take this bar off, so that this will lift out easier. And back here you've got your one electrical. You got, I believe that's a mass airflow sensor that should just, you know what, let's see if we can't do that right now. Well, looks like you gotta push that with your thumb, and then back here, you see that that hose clamp there, that goes to the throttle body, and so that needs to come off also. So I'm going to go ahead and do those things right now, and I'll tell you any tips or tricks that I use.
Powering on.
Okay, wasn't sure if that was going to come for a second there. Here are the Torx bit screws. that stay with the air intake. So yeah, that wasn't too bad.